Hey everyone! Welcome back to my channel, where I review the top products on Amazon so that you can make an informed purchase decision. Today, I'm excited to share with you my top 5 picks for the best wheel cleaning brushes on Amazon. The best wheel cleaning brush won't leave any scratches or blemishes on your wheel's finish. I've spent countless hours researching and testing products, and I'm confident that these 5 products are the cream of the crop. Whether you're looking for the best product or just one that delivers excellent value for your money, I've got you covered. In this video, I'll give you an in-depth look at each of these top 5 products, discussing their strengths and weaknesses, and helping you decide which is right for you. Whether you're a seasoned enthusiast or you're new to the game, you're sure to find something that piques your interest. So without further ado, let's jump right in and take a look at the top 5 list. Number 1. Drill Brush Cleaning Kit. This kit's first benefit is its price. It is set at a much lower range than our best choice and includes 3 powerful brushes to help make cleaning your vehicle's wheels a breeze. All you need is a drill. This drill kit is universal and versatile enough to be used on more than just wheels. It can also be used on several different types of wheels, such as alloy, aluminum, and metal. Keep in mind that you may need to finish up the wheels with some elbow grease. The drill kit does a great job, but the drill doesn't offer as much range of motion as your arm does. Also, if you're too rough with the drill and brush, it could scratch your wheels. So you will want to be careful with how much pressure you apply when operating it. Number 2. Drill Brush Automotive Soft White Drill Brush. This brush saves you from using a car wash ever again. This drill brush includes a 2-inch diameter brush, so you can reach into tight spaces, such as lug nuts, and in between mag wheel spokes. Alternatively, use the 5-inch flat round brush to tackle areas such as carpets or boat hulls quickly and effectively. As this drill brush is powerful and effective at removing stubborn stains and marks, it's not ideal for leather furniture surfaces, as it can leave marks behind. You also need to get used to the product's pressure. If you press down too hard, the cleaning brush can burn out and switch off. Number 3. Viking Premium Metal Free Wheel and Rim Brush. The Viking Premium Metal Free Wheel and Rim Brush is a simple yet elegant tool for cleaning your vehicle's wheels. It's lightweight, not even weighing a full pound. It includes a long arm and grip, so you don't have to bend down as far to reach the wheels, thus saving your back from pain. But the best feature is its design. It doesn't include any metal, so it won't scratch the wheels. The sponge is made out of a heavy-duty microfiber that captures dirt and debris more easily. It also flexes and bends to reach through the wheel spokes and gaps without getting caught up on anything. However, the microfiber is thicker than you would think, interfering with how much it can bend in certain situations. There have also been reports that it can slide off the handle if it gets stuck or trapped in tight areas. Number 4. EXOFORM Bendable Wheel Brush Set. This brush set stands out due to its adjustable design. The brush head can be bent to various angles, allowing easy access to the hard-to-reach areas behind the wheels. This flexibility ensures thorough cleaning, removing dirt, grime, and brake dust effectively. Absolutely. The brush set is safe for use on all wheel types, including alloy, chrome, painted, and even delicate finishes. The gentle yet effective cleaning action ensures that your wheels remain unharmed while achieving a spotless appearance. The EXOFORM Bendable brush set is designed with a comfortable and ergonomic grip. The grip provides excellent control and reduces hand fatigue, making the cleaning process more enjoyable and efficient. You can clean your wheels with ease and precision, even during extended cleaning sessions. By combining the adjustable design, wool fiber bristles, and rubber tip, the EXOFORM Bendable brush set simplifies the wheel cleaning process. The brush set enables you to clean both the face and the intricate spaces behind the wheels effectively. Number 5. Chemical Guys Gerbil Wheel and Rim Brush. If you need to clean in between the spokes, this wheel cleaning brush is a great choice. It's cheaper and includes a sturdy and grippy handle that gives you more strength and power behind each stroke. The brush is made out of thick wool strands rated to hold up to 8 ounces of water. It is designed to be used on alloy, chrome, anodized, and polished wheels, and is also a great tool for cleaning out the engine compartment. The handle also includes a hole so you can hang it up to dry after using it. However, it may be too thick to fit into smaller spokes or gaps. It may also require a bit more scrubbing power from you. Also, the handle is by far the weakest thing about it, since it isn't that long, so you may have to bend over or kneel to get a proper clean. That's all from my end. I make helpful videos daily, so do subscribe to my channel and hit the bell notification. To get more information or if you want to know product price, please check my description box. For any kind of problem, please comment below so I can help you further. Life is short, so enjoy your life with our cool products.